As UTRGV prepares for another school year, it's important to know what services are available to help get you around campus.
Can I get a ride? Where would you like to go? The science building, please.
Since we're driving and picking people up, it kind of forces you to put yourself out there and have conversations. I'm a pretty big introvert, but over the course of being here, I've definitely opened up.
My typical day starts with me waking up at 5 in the morning, then getting here 30 minutes before work to grab my morning taco, starting around 7 to go out to the yard and start checking the cart that I have picked for the day. We don't get a lot of people that early in the morning, but it starts filtering in, especially in the fall.
Volt drivers Jules Guerrero and Kennedy Calloway are among 50 student drivers offering Volt rides this fall semester at UTRGV. Volt has been around since 2019 and is free. There are 23 different units spread out across both the Edinburg and Brownsville campuses. They're street legal and have functioning turn signals, headlamps, horns, and cameras in connection to the Ride System app for customer tracking convenience. With a total of 5 routes across both campuses, Volt encourages students and anyone else to be free from sharking for parking spaces. Each unit can have up to 8 passengers. The vehicles are also electric and eco-friendly. Volt services prioritize helping students who are parked furthest away from campus. You can call, wave Volt drivers down, or try using the app. Volt's hours of operation are from 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday.
There have been a couple times where I've had people run up yelling, asking for me to wait. So I'll just sit there for a couple more seconds, and once they get on, they're like, "Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Can you please take me to this place?" Maybe sometimes they're late for an exam, or they have to study, or they just want to get home.
The best way a student can use the Volt is to call it in if they need like something urgent, like an urgent ride. Call it in, and you just tell them where you want to get picked up, and that's about it. And then they'll call us on the radio and we'll head right over.
For more information on Volt, visit their webpage, which also shows you what their Volt circuits look like. Reporting for the newsroom at UTRGV, I'm Marisol Villarreal.